If you're seeing a character limit reached error in ElevenLabs, don't worry, this is usually easy to fix once you know what kind of limit you're hitting. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check your account limits, how to split your text properly, and when to use Studio instead of the regular text-to-speech tool. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, if ElevenLabs is telling you that you've reached a limit, the very first thing to check is whether you've used up your monthly character or credit allowance. To do that, go to your ElevenLabs profile, then open subscription. Inside your subscription page, you'll be able to see your current plan and how many characters or credits you've already used. If you've maxed out your monthly allowance, then the error is not a bug, it simply means you've run out of usage for this billing cycle. In that case, you have two options. You can wait until your next billing cycle resets your credits, or you can upgrade your plan if you need more usage right away. This is often the fix for people who are generating a lot of voiceovers and suddenly get blocked even though their text looks perfectly fine. Now, if the message says you've exceeded the maximum characters per request, that's a different issue. This means your text is too long for a single generation. ElevenLabs has limits on how much text you can send at once. On the free plan, text-to-speech allows up to 2,500 characters per generation. On paid plans, that limit goes up to 5,000 characters per generation. So if your script is longer than that, you'll need to break it into smaller parts before generating the audio. A simple way to do this is to split your script into sections like an intro, body, and outro, then generate each section separately. You can also divide longer paragraphs into smaller chunks so each request stays under the limit. This usually solves the issue immediately and helps keep your audio generation clean and manageable. If you're working with a long script, like a podcast episode, ebook chapter, article, or training narration, the best option is to use Studio instead of the standard text-to-speech tool. Studio is built for long-form content, so it's much better for handling large projects. In Studio, you can work on your script in sections and generate each part separately, which makes the process much easier when your content is too long for one request. This is especially useful if you want more control over pacing and structure while avoiding the character limit error altogether. So just to recap, if you've hit a monthly limit, check profile, then subscription, and see whether you need to wait for your billing cycle or upgrade your plan. If you've hit the per request limit, shorten your text and split it into smaller sections. And if your script is very long, use Studio for a smoother workflow. Once you apply the right fix, you should be able to generate your voice audio without running into that character limit warning again. If this video helped, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.